The Merbok Group is Asia's leading manufacturing company of MDF. MDF, short for medium density fiberboard, is a reconstituted three-dimensionally homogeneous wood panel product. MDF's main application is in the manufacturing of high-quality furniture, but increasingly, MDF is also utilized in various building applications. The Merbok Group has a total installed production capacity of 450,000 cubic meters of MDF per annum, and the group holding company controls 4 key subsidiaries located in 2 countries. These 4 subsidiaries are Merbok MDF in the state of Kedah in Malaysia, Takeuchi MDF in the state of Johor, Malaysia, Merbok Resources again in Kedah, Malaysia, and Merbok MDF Lanka in Horana in Sri Lanka. The group's main operations are thus located in the rapidly developing state of Kedah, with Alostar as its modern capital city, a traditionally agro-based state developing in parallel to its technological intensive industries. The state of Kedah is closely located to the island of Penang, and the states are connected by the famous Penang Bridge. The Merbok Group solely utilizes plantation timbers, and with that underscores the environmental friendly aspects of all its manufactured products. The Merbok MDF plant alone has an output capacity of 250,000 cubic meters per annum and manufactures some 50% of its MDF-based products into value-added MDF products. Its state-of-the-art microprocessor-controlled automatic production machineries form the foundation of the manufacturing of its quality products at Merbok. The key input raw material of MDF is wood, for which Merbok can even utilize small diameter waste woods, which would traditionally be utilized only as fuel wood for boilers. Merbok thus produces high-quality added value wood products from merely an agro-waste material, when these wood products are first being cut into wood chips before being mechanically pulped into wood fibers. This mechanical pulping is carried out in the so-called refiner section of the plant. These so-produced wood fibers are then mixed with glues, which glues are also being in-house produced by Merbok for all of its own MDF production facilities. Thereafter, the fibers are dried to the required moisture content before entering the heart of the production process. In the so-called forming line and press line, the now resonated and dry fibers are being snowed onto a continuous moving conveyor belt. This continuous pressed carpet of fibers are thereafter being introduced into a continuous double belt hot press, where the fibers are tightly compressed and the resins being cured by heat to form the solid MDF panels. All of this process is microprocessor controlled to ensure a constant and desirable quality level of the Merbok products. A continuous output, like a carpet of wood, exists the press line where multiple of online quality checks are being conducted on the MDF boards so produced. Thereafter, the panels are being cooled down in the so-called star cooler to ambient temperature. The boards are then being stacked into so-called master stacks to ensure efficient product handling throughout the plant. Merbok has also implemented a computerized manufacturing and distribution control system to match its organization with its manufacturing capabilities. These master stacks are transported again automatically throughout the entire plant, including to the intermediate storage areas. After the appropriate curing time, the stacks are being introduced into the continuous sanding or finishing line. Merbok at the sanding line process again checks the quality of the produced boards against a set of internationally accepted quality standards. In the finishing and sanding line, the MDF boards are being calibrated to the required thickness tolerances within plus or minus 0.2 of a millimeter accuracy. The boards are, at that stage of the process, graded into various quality grades to complete the selection of specific grades for specific customer requirements. The next stage of production is the so-called cut-to-size saw. Here, the larger master boards are being sawn into the desired smaller finished panel dimensions, as ordered by Merbok's individual customers. Merbok carefully packs each individual pallet of MDF in order to achieve maximum customer satisfaction when its Merbok branded MDF reaches the final destinations. Besides a controlled production process, the quality control process of Merbok also utilizes up-to-date, available modern technologies. The Merbok Group strives to give its customer base the quality MDF products they require and deserve, and the group continues to also focus on achieving timely deliveries. Merbok has, over the last 10 years, successfully built up a worldwide network of customers with whom it conducts business in long-term, mutually beneficial relationships. Merbok currently exports some 90% of its manufactured products to destinations all over the world. All of the 3 Merbok plants are strategically located in the vicinity of major and modern port facilities. This to facilitate economic and expedient deliveries of its full range of products to its valued export customers. Merbok mainly ships its products from the ports of Penang, the PTP port in Johor, and Colombo port in Sri Lanka. Merbok currently exports its Merbok branded products to more than 40 export destinations all over the world. At Merbok, we combine the virtues of both the East and the West through a truly international team of Merbok employees. Dedication, integrity, and enthusiasm are our hallmarks. At Merbok, we live by the motto, Malaysia Boleh, the state of Kedah Boleh, and Merbok Boleh. Thank you for your time, which allowed us to show you some aspects of our company. We would like to stay in touch with you.